Alright, David Kane here with another question from your Hayes and Harris Math SL textbook. This is exercise 3E.1, question 2K. In this question we're told to expand and then simplify this expression. So to expand this expression, what we need to do is manage this index out here. We need to distribute this in somehow. But you can't distribute it in directly because we have addition or subtraction separating two different terms. Instead, what we're going to have to do is treat this as 7 to the x take 7 to the negative x times itself. And we'll have to FOIL that. So we're going to have 7 to the x take 7 to the negative x times 7 to the x take 7 to the negative x. That's what the square means, times itself. At this point, just like a plus b times a plus b, we're going to have to FOIL here. So we're going to do first, outer, inner, last. We'll multiply those terms together. So this is equal to 7x times 7 to the x times 7 to the x, which is 7 to the x squared, 7 to the x times itself. Then we have negative 7 to the negative x, that's this right here, times 7 to the x. So first, and then, well, that was we have the inner right here. We have the outer, which is 7 to the x times negative 7 to the negative x. So that's that one times that one. And then lastly, there is negative 7 to the negative x times itself. That's those two right there. All right, using index laws, we have 7 to the x squared. That's 7 to the 2x. Then we have a negative times a positive. That's going to be negative. And then again, using index laws, 7 to the negative x times 7 to the x is 7 to the negative x plus x. So we add the indices. Same story over here. It's going to be negative because we have a negative and a positive. We'll have 7 to the x take x. Add the indices. Lastly, on this side, we have two negatives, so that's going to be a positive. It's going to be 7 to the negative 2x. Multiply the indices. This gives us 7 to the 2x. Negative x plus x is 0, so this is minus 7 to the 0. X take x is 0, this is also minus 7 to the 0. And anything to the power of 0, except for 0 to the power of 0, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this is 7 to the 2x take 1, take 1, take 2. All right. That's basically it. We could maybe flip this on its side if we want. Okay. Just take the negative exponent, bring it down to the bottom if we wanted to. All right, that's all there is to this one.